But I think with all these challenges, we want more than that. We have a KPI on doubling the economy in the next 7 years. In doing so, we need to hit 7% GDP growth every year. So as where I stand is, I want 7% every year.
Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into thought-provoking topics that shape our world. Today, we will be discussing a significant issue that has caught the world's attention: the decline of Dubai's economy. Once hailed as a symbol of prosperity and growth, Dubai is now facing several challenges that have led to a slowdown in its economic momentum. Join us as we explore the reasons behind this decline and discuss the future outlook for this vibrant city. Chapter 1: Overview of Dubai's economic rise. To understand the decline of Dubai's economy, let's first take a look at its meteoric rise. Over the past few decades, Dubai has transformed itself from a small fishing village into a global hub for business, finance, and tourism. Its strategic location, visionary leadership, and ambitious development projects attracted investors, businesses, and tourists from around the world. Dubai experienced remarkable economic growth, with its gross domestic product, GDP, expanding at an average rate of 3.5% between 2010 and 2022. The city became known for its iconic landmarks, such as the Burj Khalifa, Palm Jumeirah, and the Dubai Mall, which contributed to its reputation as a top tourist destination. The real estate sector played a crucial role in Dubai's economic rise. The construction of luxurious residential and commercial properties, as well as extravagant megaprojects, fueled the city's growth. From 2016 to 2020, the total value of real estate transactions in Dubai reached a staggering $129 billion. Chapter 2: Factors contributing to the decline. COVID-19. Despite its impressive growth, Dubai has faced a series of challenges that have impacted its economy. One of the key factors is the global economic slowdown. The COVID-19 pandemic has had a significant impact on Dubai's tourism and hospitality sectors, which are vital contributors to its economy. In 2020, Dubai's economy contracted by 6.1% due to the pandemic. The travel restrictions, lockdowns, and reduced consumer spending resulting from the pandemic have severely affected Dubai's tourism industry. The number of international tourists visiting Dubai in 2020 declined by a staggering 74% compared to the previous year. This decline in tourist arrivals has had a ripple effect on various sectors, including hospitality, retail, and entertainment. Real estate. Another significant contributor to the declining economy of Dubai is the impact of the real estate market. Over the years, Dubai witnessed a rapid expansion in the construction and development of residential and commercial properties, fueled by investor demand and ambitious projects. However, this growth has also led to an oversupply of properties in recent years. The oversupply in the real estate market has resulted in declining property prices and rental rates. According to recent statistics, residential property prices in Dubai have decreased by an average of 8.3% in 2022 compared to the previous year. The decline in property values has affected investor confidence and has had repercussions on the overall economy. Additionally, the decline in the real estate market has impacted the banking sector in Dubai. Banks and financial institutions have significant exposure to the real estate industry, and the decline in property values has led to an increase in non-performing loans. In response to this challenge, the Dubai government has introduced measures to support the banking sector and address the issue of non-performing loans. The decline in the real estate market has also affected the construction industry, which has been a key driver of Dubai's economic growth. With reduced demand for new construction projects, construction companies have faced challenges in securing new contracts, leading to layoffs and a slowdown in the sector. To address the issues in the real estate market, the Dubai government has taken proactive steps. Initiatives such as the Dubai Real Estate Institute, established to regulate and promote professionalism in the real estate sector, aim to enhance transparency, trust, and stability in the market. The government has also introduced measures to attract foreign investment in the real estate sector and stimulate demand. Oil prices. Another factor contributing to the decline of Dubai's economy is the decline in oil prices. While Dubai is not heavily reliant on oil like some of its neighboring states, the oil industry still plays a role in the region's overall economic stability. The drop in oil prices has affected government revenues, as oil-related activities account for about 5% of Dubai's GDP. Additionally, regional political instability has affected Dubai's economy. Ongoing conflicts in the Middle East and geopolitical tensions have created a sense of uncertainty, deterring both tourists and investors from the region. In 2022, Dubai's tourist arrivals dropped by 72% compared to pre-pandemic. Mounting debt-to-GDP ratio has increased to 290% in 2023, indicating the severity of the debt burden. Another critical factor contributing to Dubai's economic danger is its mounting debt burden. As of 2023, Dubai's total public debt stands at approximately $135 billion, accounting for around 79% of its GDP. Debt restructuring efforts have been initiated, with a focus on extending maturities and negotiating favorable terms with creditors. Over the years, Dubai has embarked on ambitious projects, including the construction of extravagant landmarks and infrastructure developments. While these projects aim to position Dubai as a global economic powerhouse, they have also resulted in substantial debt accumulation. The economic downturn following the global financial crisis and subsequent challenges have made it increasingly difficult for Dubai to service its debts. This burden not only poses risks to the stability of Dubai's financial system but also raises concerns about its long-term sustainability. Chapter 3: Economic Diversification Efforts to Stabilize Economy. To combat the decline, Dubai has been implementing various measures to diversify its economy. One of the notable initiatives is the Dubai Plan 2021, which focuses on developing key sectors such as technology, healthcare, finance, and renewable energy. The goal is to reduce dependence on traditional industries and create a more sustainable and diversified economy. The technology sector has been a priority for Dubai's economic diversification efforts. The city has established free zones, such as Dubai Internet City and Dubai Silicon Oasis, to attract tech companies and foster innovation. In 2022, Dubai's technology sector witnessed significant growth, with the number of technology companies in the city increasing by 30% compared to the previous year. Furthermore, Dubai has been focusing on developing its healthcare sector to attract medical tourists and enhance the quality of healthcare services. The Dubai Healthcare City, a dedicated healthcare-free zone, has been instrumental in attracting leading healthcare providers and facilitating medical research and innovation. Dubai is also positioning itself as a regional financial hub. The Dubai International Financial Center, DIFC, has attracted major global banks, financial institutions, and investment firms. In 2022, the DIFC recorded a 24% increase in the number of registered companies, reinforcing its status as a leading financial center in the Middle East. Moreover, Dubai has been investing in renewable energy and sustainable initiatives. The Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum Solar Park is one of the world's largest renewable energy projects, aiming to provide a significant portion of Dubai's energy needs from clean sources. The city has set ambitious targets to increase the share of clean energy in its total energy mix. In 2022, Dubai's technology sector witnessed significant growth, with the number of technology companies in the city increasing by 30% compared to the previous year. Chapter 4: Future Outlook. Despite the challenges it faces, Dubai remains resilient and is taking proactive steps to revive its economy. The Expo 2020, which has been rescheduled to 2021, is expected to attract millions of visitors and provide a boost to the tourism and hospitality sectors. Moreover, Dubai's focus on innovation, sustainability, and technological advancements positions it well for future growth. Investments in sectors like artificial intelligence, blockchain, and renewable energy are paving the way for a more diversified and resilient economy. The Dubai government has also launched several stimulus packages to support businesses and promote economic recovery. In 2022, the Dubai Economic Stimulus Package included measures such as fee waivers, rent reductions, and financial aid to help businesses overcome the challenges posed by the pandemic. Furthermore, Dubai's strategic initiatives like the Dubai Silk Road Strategy, which aims to enhance trade connectivity between Asia, Africa, and Europe, demonstrate its commitment to expanding its role as a global trade and logistics hub. These initiatives have the potential to attract new investment and create opportunities for economic growth. It is important to note that the decline in the real estate market is not unique to Dubai, as many global cities have experienced similar trends. However, given the significance of the real estate sector in Dubai's economy, the impact has been more pronounced. In conclusion, while Dubai's economy has faced setbacks due to global economic factors, regional instability, and the COVID-19 pandemic, the city continues to evolve and adapt. Through economic diversification efforts, strategic initiatives, and a focus on innovation, Dubai aims to overcome its challenges and emerge as a stronger and more resilient economy in the future. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the decline of Dubai's economy and discussed its future outlook. Stay tuned for more insightful discussions on our channel, where we continue to explore topics that shape our world.